Hi everybody, hello and welcome. Now I have created a new type of folio, and it's a little bit more complex than the others. I will put the details out. If you want to make one yourself, that's fine, but for those of you that think it's a bit of a fadaddle, and it is, I have created the bare bones of them, and I've done a cream version and a black version. So the black version is particularly difficult to see even when you're working on it, so I will show you through the cream one so you get to see what's what. So it has these expanding hinges on both sides, so you can build your journal up and it'll move with it, it'll grow with it. Then inside we have the 6-piece cascade. Can you see that there? It's kind of difficult in the light. And they are all at 1/2-inch intervals. And what I've done is I have bound this together already. I've sewn this in. It's up to you whether you want to unpick that stitching and stitch it into your folio. I just thought you'd find it a whole lot easier to decorate this part without this part being attached. So you could just use a piece of elastic round there and that would hold it in perfectly. And in fact that is what I would do if I was doing it. The other thing that it has is a couple of pockets, and I'll go on to show you a decorated version of this so you can see what I'm talking about. It's got a couple of flips there on the back, and that's basically that. It doesn't look that complicated, it's just when you start to actually cut it, it's just a bit confusing. So that folds over, and then you'd have your string and button closure or whatever closure you fancy on it. So let's just clip that together so those pieces don't get lost, because I have a habit of doing that. And the black one is identical. The two flippy flappies, the expanding hinges, the waterfall itself. So if you buy a bare bones, this is what you'll get. Okay, the signature itself will be sewn together, but that's all. You'll just get the bare bones, which probably for most of you will be enough, I would have thought. You go on from there and decorate it however you so wish. Or you might like the ones that I have decorated already. And this one is the cream version, and obviously I've done it in music paper. I haven't inked around it specifically because I don't know how you are going to go on to decorate this, and I don't want to dictate to you. You know, I could do it in brown, but you might want green if you're doing Edith, for example, whatever. So I've left it, you can ink it, and it opens up. There's music, it's just a riot of music paper. This is you can see this better now, but you could easily add lace. If I can find some lace, I will show you. You could easily add lace to the edge of each of these, and it would look quite nice, I think. You know, 6 pieces of that down there, or different kinds of lace. That would look really nice. Or ribbons, thin ribbon, add some colour to it. And then in the back we've got the 2 flippy flappies here. It's up to you what sort of closure you want to put on them, string and button or anything else that you want to do. Because I don't know how you're gonna close it, I haven't put the backing on, because if you're going to use a brad, you want this piece of paper to cover your brad legs. So that sounds a bit odd, doesn't it? Cover your brad legs. So we'll include in it enough paper for you to cover these once you've put your closure on. Okay, so that's that. It's got the same expanding hinges, so it will grow. You know, as your journal grows, it will grow, and that fundamentally is that. So that is the music paper covered one. Now we have another one also, and this one is the collage covered one, and it's the same. They're all really the same. That's just the folio. I really like this one actually. It's got enough interest in it, you know, it's really nice. And that's it. They're covered back and front. Sewn together, and so then it's up to you if you want to just pop elastic down there, or anything. Ribbon would do, knotted at the bottom, put a little charm on it, look lovely. And it's got the flippy flappies here. Same thing, I haven't put the paper on the back, but I will include it, so you can do that. And I haven't put anything here, so you can put your own button, what you know, however you want to close it. So that's the collage, the cream collage. And then we have the black ones, and this is also a collage. It's slightly different. It's a different one. It's got a little bit more colour to it, I think. Got the expanding hinges down here. The signature is sewn together for your convenience. If it isn't making life convenient, just snip it out and you can always quickly sew it in again after. So these are the pages. I like this collage page, it's gorgeous. I think green, you know, green, what have I got that's green to hand? Let's have a look and see. Must have something green, yeah, here we go. It's just a sticker, but if you can imagine, you know, botanicals on this, I think would look absolutely stunning. But that's just an idea. You can, excuse me, you can put whatever you want to put on them. And there's the flaps at the back. Same thing, I will include some of this paper so you can cover up the backs of your flaps once you've put your closure on. So that is that. So that's the black collage. And then we have one more, and it's a black one, and it's this paper I've used before. You've seen me use this before. I love it. It's from Let's Design Creative on Etsy. It's Tanya Samuels, and it's exactly the same folio, but it's just gorgeous. I love this paper. It's very Timmy-esque, actually, very much so. And you could get away with, you know, decorating this with Timmy stuff without a doubt. So there we are, that's that one. There's the flip flaps, and that's the I don't know what to call this. The paper is actually called Back in the Day. If you go to Let's Design Creative, have a look for Back in the Day, and that's the paper that you'll come to. So I might just call it Back in the Day folio. That folds over like that. Doesn't that look gorgeous? I love it. Absolutely love it. So those are the my offerings of the day. So there's the black Back in the Day, the black collage, the black bare bones. Okay, so that's the black family there. The cream family is the cream collage, the cream music, and the cream bare bones. That's the cream family. So they will be listed, you know, as bare bones, cream or black, black collage, which is this one, black Back in the Day, this one, cream bare bones, cream music paper, cream collage. Okay, so I hope that you dip your toe in the water, try maybe a bare bones one, see how you get on decorating it. You know, they're just the right size to decorate, because you know when you start a new journal and you're all full of it and you really want to do it, and then, you know, after about a week you think, oh, same old, same old. Well, these are done then, and you've got something lovely, something tangible. So thank you very, very much for watching. I hope that you give, you know, one of them a go at least. Make a nice gift for somebody who you know likes paper crafting. And I shall see you again very soon. Bye.